Hey boss, hey beauty, welcome back. Today's video we are going to do some wig art, right? When you have a old weave in the house and you don't know what to do with that, these are some stuff you can use it for. And it is good for any season, guys. Winter, summer, you are good to go. So I was having my old weave in the house and I decided to change it into a wig hat. So I'm going to show you how I transform that weave. But first of all, I wash it before I could use it because it was in the house for long. I didn't use it for like 2 years, and by all means, I have to wash it. I can't use it like that. So I wash it, and I wanted to use some glue, but it wouldn't help because I would like to use my kepi for another week, right? I will buy another wave and add it to the kepi too. Um, so I decided to sew the this particular wave on top so that the next time when I want to change it, I will be able to just remove the other one and put another. But because if I put glue, I wouldn't be able to use the same cap because the glue will stay on it. So I decided to sew the wave and I will be able to remove it easily. I will let you enjoy the video and let's meet at the end of this video, right? Keep watching, guys, and see the transformation. You can also use another hat. It depends on the type of hat you want to use. Those winter hat, you can also use it. But this one, I choose it particularly because that's the type I like. And yeah, I can use it at any time, summer, because the other type you can use it in summer. But this type is like kepi hat. You can use it in summer, you can use it in winter, you can use it at any season, right? That's why I choose this particular one. So keep watching, guys. And another thing is when I was sewing, you can see where I started sewing the wave, right? So I couldn't snap again the side when I was about to finish. So when I finished sewing the side that I wanted, like the back side, I fed again the side from the ears so that they will cover the ears. So the normal way to do is when you are sewing a kepi hat, a weak heart, you should sew from the other side of the ear to the other one. I did this because I wasn't sure whether the wig is going to reach the type I wanted to achieve, right? That's the reason why I started from the bottom of the kepi to the other bottom of the kepi. But later on, I had a small wave left, so I added it at the side, at the ear side, so that I will be able to have it in the ear side, the two ear side, and yeah, it will cover that side too. So guys, this is how it looks like. I'm going to wear it and so see. Let us see how it looks like. How do I look? How do I look? So it was the end of this video. I hope you love the idea. It is mainly on YouTube. It is not new, guys, but I just wanted to do something different, and I hope you love it. Until we meet next time.